Hello, everybody. This is your boy, Elgin Charles, and I'm so happy right now because I finally figured out how to make a ponyfall. It's an idea I had many years ago, and I'm a creative person. I will sit back and figure out how to make anything when it comes to hair. Elgin Charles, Beverly Hills. I love to put my logo in there, of course, so people know it was my product that they're wearing. So you take your time and just stitch it in there. No big deal. But I remember when I got this label, I felt so excited. Felt like a designer. But anyway, the Ponyfall is a wonderful creation because it gives you just what you need to enhance your regular hairstyle. When you look at me in this video now, my hair has just been round brushed, blown out and kind of round brushed on the end. I didn't put any heat on it. Just wanted to have more body because I'm gonna add this piece and I want to have the same consistency in the thickness. At the end, you will see how I will style it. So don't give up on this video until you watch the end. Now, this is a rubber piece about 1.5 inches wide. The same band that you put on the back of a wig. You know, you buy a wig and they have that band on the back. Same thing, same rubber band. So elastic band, I'm sorry. So I took it and I took a bundle of hair, opened it up, as you can see in the video. It's a beautiful Indian hair, natural. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take my time and I'm just gonna sew the wefted hair onto that band. Very simple. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to be able to figure something out like this, but it took me many years to figure it out. I tried to stitch it together on a sewing machine, but it wouldn't work. I tried stitching it on a ribbon, but the ribbon it would fray, it would be too porous, soak up the water, take a long time to dry. And then it hit me. How? I can use that rubber elastic band. It doesn't soak up water. It's light. And it's the perfect strip that I was looking for to sew this hair onto. It's something like that. Something that simple can make all the difference. And so I've sat down and I made it, and it was so wonderful. I said, okay, let me do a videos to show everybody. You know, I'm at this point in my career where I'm sharing. I used to do a lot of teaching. Teach them how to weft hair on the machine. Teach them how to hand tie hair on the machine. Teach them how to make a wig on the sewing machine, and also by hand. I was on The View with Star Jones, had me on The View years ago. I think it was in the early 2000s. And I was demonstrating the Elgin Charles unit, which we call the ECU. And that went over real big. That's when we called hair pieces units and not wigs, because wigs was not the same as a unit, because a unit is strictly extension hair made into a piece, made into one unit. And that's how the unit came out. But for patent purposes, it was hard to distinguish between the two. I paid $1,000 trying to get that patent, and they told me, no, it's too much like a wig, so you can't patent it. So, and it's true. It's really a wig or a unit, whichever you want to choose. So, here I am now. I'm almost there. I think I got about 3 rows onto the band. Now I got to do the other 2. And what that's going to do by having it on the band going down one after another, step by step, it makes it lay flat. And when you shake your hair around, it'll flow more easier than being all one piece. And it's not as heavy on the head. I had to get used to it because I was used to doing mine. I would just sew all the tracks together and then just put the clips on there and put it in there and go about my business. But the Ponyfall just takes it up another step. It's like the Rolls Royce of a hairpiece, a fall in the back. And you have enough hair there on that one piece to really make a difference with your hairstyle. And a lot of ladies are starting to come out of their braids or coming out of their wigs and they want to wear the natural hair, especially with the keratin Botox, that treatment that I developed, that helps you to wear your own hair. But a lot of times you're so used to wearing wigs, you're so used to wearing extensions, you need a little something else extra to give you that feel. Because women like that, it's all about a feel. It's all about a weight. They know what it is that makes them feel good. So this allows you to have that weight and that fullness in the back. I tell you, this is a great little creation. And then you see, you can do it yourself at home. Like I said, I used to sell or teach this information. Now I just have a YouTube channel where I'm going to share all my tips about what I've learned in the hair industry. And this one here is I'm showing you what I do for me when I have to represent Elgin Charles, be Elgin Charles, feel like Elgin Charles, and I got to go out and represent, go on the red carpet or go do a show or TV appearance. I want to have that Hollywood look. I want to look star-studded. I want to look like when people see me, they say, oh, he must be somebody. Look, who is that? Wow. You know, because they know you done stepped it up a few. You know, you're looking your best. And sometimes a little hair goes a long ways, I'm telling you. Now, as a man, I come from the 70s. I come from where we was wearing bell-bottom, big old 4-inch platform shoes, hip buggers. We was wearing hair rollers, relaxers, and all that. Oh, I went through that period of Superfly. And then it changed, and the hair started going shorter, men stopped doing all that stuff, but I couldn't shake it. I love hair. I love hair on my head. I love hair on your head. I love hair in your drawer. I love hair. And all my life, I've loved hair. All I can remember is I've always had a fascination for hair ever since I was a child. And now I'm tatted as the emperor of hair after all these years. Ain't God good? All right, now I'm here. I'm sewing on the clips. This is important because without the clips, you can't hold it on to the head. And real simple way to do it. It doesn't take long. I think it took me maybe 45 minutes to an hour. So as you're watching this video and you say to yourself, how can I get one, Elgin? How can I get a Ponyfall? I'm saying, baby, all you have to do is go to my website, elgincharles.com, and order you a bundle of hair. It could be 12 inches, it could be 16 inches, 22 inches, I don't care. And then order it and just say you want it to be made into a Ponyfall. And the cost that you pay for the bundle of hair will be the same cost for the Ponyfall. And all you have to do is put in the comments, Elgin, please make me a Ponyfall. And also measure your head and tell me the inches in which you want it to be. Whether you want it 12 inches, 13 inches, 14 inches, just like I demonstrated in the video. Now I've made this piece, and now I'm putting it on the dog head, and I'm just straightening the hair out so to match the texture of my hair. And I'm also going to put a little body wave curl to it so it won't be too straight so I can have movement. And then we're going to show you how to put it into your hair. All right, you ready? Here we go. All right, you see my hair, I just fluffed it out and everything. I took the Ponyfall, I put it into my hair where I think it would fit perfectly. Then I took my hands and went through and just pulled out the top part from the bottom part. And I put a little rubber band on it so that I could hold it up. And then I take the Ponyfall, pop it right on in there, one side, the other side, and in the middle is a comb. So it's very, very comfortable in the back. And you clip it in, boom, just that easy, and you let your hair down. All right, look at that. Bam, already, they made a difference. Looks natural, I ain't changed my look at all. It just looks more enhanced. It looks like, wow, man. And now I'm gonna go in and take the heat and go ahead and put some heat on it and blend it on through. Look at that. Now that shine and the shine of the hair is coming together. Come on, y'all, look at this. Now, ladies, I know y'all wanna do this. And all you gotta do is wrap your hair at night, get up in the morning, throw in that piece, and go on about your business. You don't even have to put no heat on it no more. And your hair lasts. It lasts. All right, now see, like I said, I'm feeling myself. Don't forget to subscribe now. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to share. And remember, if you want this Ponyfall, you want me to make you one here at the company, go to elgincharles.com. All you got to do is just put in a bundle of hair that you like and say, make me a Ponyfall. And I'll have another video coming up to show you how to install the Ponyfall, how you can take the same piece and make a beautiful ponytail with it. And that's why we call it the Ponyfall. It has two uses. You can do a fall, or you can use it for a ponytail. And the ponytail is going to be nice and thick and full, just like the ladies want, you know? Just a nice, full, thick ponytail. And it doesn't come out. It really holds into your ponytail, and it feels secure. So here I just decided to go ahead and put a few curls in there, you know, trying to make it look a little not so straight, just showing a little bit of skill. I like my hair to be very not so perfect. I like it to have mixed textures all through it, because I'm the kind of person, I'm always got my hands in my hair. I'm always combing it out. I'm always messing around with them. I'm always fluffing it up and everything. So that's what I do with my hairs. I just love to play with it. A lot of people talk about, Elgin, you just need to go and cut that hair off. Boy, you're getting too old and everything. I said, mind your own business. Mind your own business now. Okay? I'm a hair man. Okay? I'm a hair man. That's what I do. So if I do hair, why can't I do hair on myself and be happy with it? I love it. I love it. You know, when I was younger, I used to see some of my white friends get in there and round brush their hair, make it all beautiful like the Bee Gees. I was so interested and kind of envious, because I was like, why I got all this kicky curly hair and can't do nothing with it? I always got to fight with it and stuff. So that's been my journey all my life, is to make African-American hair, black hair, easier to work with, easier to use, and different tricks that we can use. So our hair can be beautiful, easy to manage, and we can have the different styles that are out there, whether we want to wear it straight, curly, or natural. We got to have products to help our hair be healthy. And now we have to keep it on our head, keep our edges together, keep our hair strong. And that's what it's all about. Hey, there, I just finished. Hope you like my Ponyfall. It's a wonderful thing. Remember, elgincharles.com, if you want to order you a piece, I'm right here for you, baby. It's good seeing you. And don't forget to share. Love you. Bye-bye.